Hello there! Here we again with a new device from MWF detectors. The easiest, the smallest and the faster to detect groundwater, the Navi device. In this video we're gonna explain and demonstrate the features of the device, unbox it and how to assemble and work with the device to find our targets, so stay with us until the end. As always, we got the up-top technology from MWF. Here we have the Navi device, the newest technology for detecting the deepest underground water. Advanced device to detect groundwater, Navi device has modern features and characteristics that enable it to monitor groundwater accurately and effectively. This device provides with the new version of LRL system, long range locator, from MWF advanced and built in with the device. With Navi we could find all kinds of water, natural, salty or mineral. We could discriminate between all types of water. In addition, the digital compass on the device screen which shows direction and the target path as well. The detection depths of this device reach up to 500 meters under the ground and up to 2000 meters in distance. Accurate verification of the water location and acoustic indicators issued to determine the water location path is one of the most important of these features. Great speed to provide the result to the user with integrated and comprehensive data about the target and the point center. Of course, multi-languages, internal signal filtering system to avoid any confusing resulting from any high range frequency like radio wave are present in the air or other. Of course, one of the important features is the automatic tuning system, ATS. We've got in this device TFT color screen, 3.2-inch HD, give the user a clear vision by night and day. Control the level of screen brightness feature which gives you sufficient lighting for day and night and reduce the level of lighting to save energy as well. 5 levels of sound give you a sufficient control of sound output and signal sounds. Control of sound output and signal sounds of search results, as well as vibration mode. Lithium-ion batteries give us 5 hours of continuous searching, moreover provided with a smart charging. So here we come to unbox the Navi device. As we see, it comes with a plastic case anti-shocks. Let's unbox it. So first we have the user manual, and inside it we've got the CD and the warranty card with 3 years warranty. And first thing first, we've got the main unit. Let's grab the plastic and unbox it. We could obviously catch sight of the ergonomic design and streamlined shape which give you the power to search and navigate, lightweight and easy to use. We could obviously catch sight of the ergonomic design and streamlined shape which give you the power to search and navigate with lightweight and ease of use. Here we go. The grip to handle the device and give us free moving of the device, and the antennas. We got the post antennas here and the transceiver antenna And we got the charger. Comes with 9-volt charge and 18 watt. So now we could assemble the device. We have to wrap the plastic of the grip and fix the grip like this, as you see, as easy as that, and fix the antennas. Move this round here and first fix the transceiver antenna and post, which empower the signal for transceiving the signal from and to the ground. Okay, and now it's ready to turn it on. As you see, we're good. As we see the device turn on after pressing the power button for almost 1 second, and we got the main menu interface, and now the device is ready to set up and to go searching after we set up the searching parameters. After we assemble the device the right way to handle the device, we got to open up the antenna and turn on the device and go searching. We have to handle it like this. We have to keep it horizontally with the floor, with a little up forwarded to the ground in this way. So together, let's explain all the interfaces of the device. Here in the main menu, we got the search and the settings icons. First, we will go for settings. First, let's talk about the button in the keypad. We've got the navigation button and the enter button and the back button, and of course the power button. So we could move between the icons by pressing the navigation button. So let's select the setting icon. Here in the setting interface, we got brightness, sound, and language. We could set up all the settings here. First, let's go with brightness. We could lever up or down the brightness by pressing the enter button and set the brightness as we want for lightning to, if we're searching at light day or night. And for sound, we could even mute the sound or level it up or down, and we could disable or enable the vibration mode by long press on the enter button. And for language, we could enter the language interface, and we got 4 languages: English, Turkish, and Arabic and Spanish. We'll keep it on English, or we could go back to the setting interface. Now, after we set up the settings, or if we don't even set up the setting, we could go for searching right away. Here in the searching interface, we have the parameter of the search and the digital compass, and of course we have here the priority level. In every interface, we could know what the level of the priority. We could navigate this interface between target, distance, and depths by pressing the navigation button. Let's set up the target. We have natural water, mineral water, and salty water, and all types of water. So let's select all types of water, and the distance, it comes from 100 meters up to 2,000 meters, as we see here, and the depths between 25 up to 500 meters. And after we set up the parameters, we could start searching by go for start search and press enter. Now let's talk about the digital compass here. It shows us the north and the south, and it shows us where are we going. In this device we have so important feature that the digital compass gives us to tracking up the path of the target. By pressing the navigation button, we could enable the tracking feature to track up the path of the target. So if we go wrong to the right or wrong to the left, it will figure out and give us a sound alert to go on the path, the right path that we are tracking. And again, we could disable the tracking feature by again press the navigation button. That's all for the interfaces of the Navi device. The first way to search. We must calibrate the device to simulate the waves and field out of the device, where we move the device to right and left slowly for many seconds. And then we redirect the device correctly to start the search by moving in a direction, waiting the device to read a signal of the target. As we see, if the target is found, the device will receive and read a signal by automatically changing the device from the normal path to which the target was located. This direction is the direction of the target. We should try at least another 2 directions to be sure of the path of the target. So we will repeat the same part again until we confirm the path of the target. After we confirm the path of the target, we do move in this path to specify exactly the point of the water. After we confirm the path of the target, we do move in this path to specify exactly the point of the water target, as we done in this video. We could see that the target is between the 2 points that specify exactly underneath us. The second way to search. There is another way for us to more accurately determine where the target is located. We are in the process of squaring the target side by taking 4 readings of the target point from 4 points. Square 3 meters from the target side, we will notice the intersection point of the 4 reading. Theoretically, it will be the midpoint of the target.